Welcome back in the demo, user enumeration. So let me start with a login functionality. Let me, as I already explained to you in the previous video, let me start with existing email and non-existing email, and let's see how the web application responds. So my email is david@example.com. Well, I am the user of this web application. I am registered out there, so well, I know that this is existing email, and now I'm gonna provide some arbitrary password, right? I just wanna see if the web application is going to tell me something about this email, if this is registered email or not. Well, I know that this is registered email, but in case of other emails, I don't know it. So I just have to see how the web application responds, because this is something what I need to learn to see if other emails are registered or not, right? So let me now click login, and let's see the response. Wrong email and or password. Well, when you've got this message, you don't know what is wrong, email and or password. So now let's try with some arbitrary email, like whatever@whatever.com, and arbitrary password. Let's see how it works for non-existing email, right? Wrong email and or password. The same response. So I have completely no chance to learn anything here, right? Providing existing email, non-existing email, or in other words, registered or non-registered, I cannot figure out which one is registered and which one is not, right? Okay, but as I told you, don't give up. Hackers are smart, and hackers will try to reach their goal in a number of different ways. Now let me go to forgot password functionality. In forgot password functionality, I'm asked to enter my email, and then the password reset link will be sent to this email. So now when I provide my email here and I click send password reset link, then I see a message, password reset link has been sent to your email. That's cool. That's cool. But how does the web app respond to non-existing email? Let's check this out. Whatever@whatever, right, .com, send password reset link. Email doesn't exist. So yeah, we've got it. We have found that user enumeration via forgot password functionality is possible because the system responds differently. The web app responds differently for registered email and non-registered email, right? And this is how you can start building a list of registered emails. Now do some kind of automation here, and voila, you will learn who is registered, who is not. And that's it. I've got two different types of responses for registered emails and unregistered emails. This is it. This is how it works. And in a real attack, the attacker would do some kind of automation here, but when you do hacking, you need to provide a kind of proof of concept. You need to show the program owner or the company how you can build this list of registered emails, and what I explained to you is enough, right? We see in forgot password functionality two different responses for registered and unregistered emails, and this is how we can differentiate who is registered, who is not registered. This is how we can start building this list, and here is how the attacker can build this list as well. So you see, try to be smart. Don't give up too early. Try also other functionalities in the web application. If you've got a goal in your mind, try to be open-minded, and then you can reach your goal. I believe that this is clear, and basically this is it in this demo.